Projects and operations. So project delivers unique products and services. Projects are temporary in nature. Uh, they are progressively elaborated and are constrained by the limited resources of time, cost, and scope. A classical example for projects are designing a car is a project. I'll explain again. Every project delivers unique products or services. That means the output of the project is unique. It's you're designing a car, a unique design comes out. Or you writing a book is a project. So a unique book comes out. Then projects are temporary in nature. So every project has a start date and end date. Upon completion of the project, the team is dismantled. So we say that projects are temporary in nature. And projects are progressively elaborated. That means when I start a project, I have very less information about the project. As we get into the project more and more, I gain more and more insight about the project. When I make a proposal, it is based on the high-level scope. And then I elaborate the scope into a detailed scope. Then I decompose it into a work breakdown structure, and then the work packages gets decomposed into tasks. These things we'll see in detail as we progress. So while doing this, we gain more and more insight about the project. We start with an idea, and then as we get into the project more and more, things become more and more clearer to you, and that we call it as progressive elaboration. And projects are constrained by the limited resources of time, cost, and scope. We say that a project is successful if it is completed within the agreed upon time, agreed upon cost, and met the agreed upon scope. A classical example for a project is designing a car or writing a book or delivering a training program or designing a new iPad or new tablet. All these things comes under the category of projects. Then we have operations. Operations are ongoing in nature. Manufacturing a car. Once we design a car, we said designing a car is a project. Once a car is designed and tested, now we get into manufacturing. So shift after shift, we produce the same model car n numbers. So manufacturing a car is an example for operations. While projects deliver unique products or services as an output, operations deliver standard output. The output of operation is a standard product. Same model car, hundreds of numbers coming out. The same book printed, thousands of copies that just comes out. The same tablet manufactured in thousands of numbers that comes out shift after shift. So the output of operations are standard in nature. Both projects and operations are constrained by the limited resources of time, cost, and scope. So this is a similarity. Both projects and operations are constrained by the limited resources of time, cost, and scope, because in operations also we have the shift durations, the budgets for the shift, the target for the shift, shifts. So both projects and operations are constrained by the limited resources of time, cost, and scope. A classical example of an operation is manufacturing a car, whereas the classical example for a project is designing a car. Once the car is designed, that is a project, and that gets transferred to operations, primarily manufacturing, and the car gets manufactured again and again. So we classified, work can be classified as projects and operations. Projects deliver unique products or services as output. are temporary in nature, are progressively elaborated, are constrained by limited resources of time, cost, and scope. Designing a car is a project, whereas operations are ongoing in nature. They produce standard output. They are also constrained by the limited resources of time, cost, and scope. Manufacturing a car is an operation. Trust this is clear to you, and I'm sure that you will be able to differentiate between projects and operations. Thank you.